waktoke, wanji, latoke, itoke, smetoke, waktoke.
Ebi bigambire Bishop Patrick Wakora oli Bishop wa Central obusoga obwabiralya mukoro ogwo kusima okwa factory eyebitoche ya Bushenyi eri kumanywa nka Banana Industrial Research and Development Center.
We are coming into fellowship with our God. And the theme is saying, Ebenezer, we thank God for the distance we have moved.
We decided that we are going to give thanks every year. We are going to take stock on where we've been and give back to the Father, give back to community.
Dr. Albert Espa uri kuruga omwihanga area Germany kandi birali omujenyi mukuru asimira abanyabushenyi ahabo kwejumbira omukushaba hamwe no kukunda ruhanga ngwabo kuba omuri Germany amakanisa gamwe gakachingwa ahabo kubura abantu abo kushabiramo.
Nowadays in our country, if you go to a weekly church, you can see 10 people, 20 people participating in a service. Even if there's a greater event like Christmas, sometimes the church is not full.
Dr. Albert agarukire yasima abanyabushenyi ahawe ntunguka hamwe na ombyo kuhinga no kurisa kandi bakagaruka bakakwatiraho na factory ngwakuba entunguka ebireho tekagireba hoga.
The entire team of Verdict had done a very, very great job, because if you go around, you can see all the equipment is well maintained, everything is running, the people are really enthusiastic to work.
Professor Florence Muranga uri kurira factory y'ebitoche asimira President Museveni ahabo kubakwatiraho bakatunguka kandi bakatunga itaka eriyasanga aho barije kuteka branch endijo banyuma y'akatare k'ebitoche okweyongera.
We are too far from the market in Bushenyi, so it is ideal to put it in another place that is on the highway. So government had earmarked earlier land in Sanga, and I'm happy to say that this year had taken that step to do a concrete offer for us to be able to get that land.
Can we clap for the team under Professor Mulanga Flores here? A winning team, a committed team, a spirit-filled team, a God-inspired team must be a winning team. That's why we see all these around us here.
Professor Florence agizire ngo nibija no kutandikaho okuyamba abahinji bari kubatera hemyanya ombyaro aho barabe ni barundane bitoche byabo okwenda kucendeza ahanshohoza ombyentambura.
Farmer will be able to deliver their bananas, and we're not going to say they're going to carry it on the head. We're also looking at the investing a delivery system, maybe a simple tractor that will go around in the communities to bring the bananas.
Atire Robert or RDC wa Bushenyi agizire ngo abanyabushenyi bashemerirwe ahabo kutunguka okwa factory y'ebitochi ngwabo kubehindwire entura ey'abanyabushenyi ombyentunguka.
President witu numukimanya ngo we nayendeza mu Uganda okugigara nayenda tuhinge kutari cyo kurya cyonka konka tuhinge kite no mungushaho.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Olivia na Sasera ahabwa Sky TV omuri Bushenyi.